Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be solving this wonderful exponential equation. Now I'm going to start by rearranging the powers in the left hand side of this equation. So I'll say 4 raised to the power, I'll write this minus 4k squared first. So write minus 4k squared. Then this 4k is same thing as plus 4k, all equal to k square minus k. Then now we continue again. I'm going to factorize the power here now. I'll write it 4 first, so we'll say 4. Then now I'll factor out this 4 here, this minus 4 here, so we'll say minus 4. Then open a bracket now. So 4k squared divided by minus 4, we have just k square here, then minus 4k divided by this minus 4 here, we have what? K. Then all equal to k square minus k. Then we continue. Now we have 4 raised to the power of minus 4 here, so I'll write 4. I'll open a bracket, I'll write 4 raised to the power of minus 4, then close the bracket. All raised to the power of k square minus k. So we see k square minus k, all equal to k square again minus k. Then now this 4 raised to the power of minus 4 is the same thing as 1 all over 256. So write bracket 1 all over 256 all raised to the power of k square minus k equal to k square minus k. Then my next step now will be to say that let k square minus k equal to p. So anywhere I see k square minus k, I'll put p. So write bracket 1 all over 256, close my bracket. Then this k square minus p, so k square minus k, so I'll put p raised to the power of p equal to k square minus k, the same thing as what? P. Then now my next step now will be to raise both sides of this equation to the power of 1 over p to eliminate this p here. So I'll first of all write this equation again. I'll write it again. 1 over 256, close my bracket, all raised to the power of p equal to p. Now I'll raise both sides of this equation now to the power of 1 over p. So I'll put a bracket here now. So I'll raise here now to the power of 1 over p. Then also I'll raise this to the power of 1 over p. Now this power here now will multiply this power here. So p multiplied by 1 over p will give us what? 1. So therefore the left hand side of this equation will become 1 over 256. So we'll continue. So here now will now become 1 over 256 equal to p raised to the power of 1 all over p. Then now I can write this expression here now as this one now is the same thing as 1 raised to the power of 4. So I write it 1 raised to the power of 4 all over, then this 256 I can write it as 4 raised to the power of 4 also. So here will become 4 raised to the power of 4 all equal to p raised to the power of 1 all over p. Then we continue again now. Since the numerator here is raised to the power of 4 and the denominator here is raised to the power of 4, I can write this expression here as 1 over 4 raised to the power of 4 equal to p raised to the power of 1 over p. P raised to the power of 1 all over P. Then we'll continue again now. Now, this 4 here now is the same thing as 1. 4 here now is the same thing as 1 over bracket 1 all over 4. So instead of me to write this 4 here now, I'm going to write 1 over bracket 1 over 4. So I'll open this bracket first now. 1 over 4. Instead of raised to the power of 4, I'll write raised to the power of 1 over bracket 1 over 4, all equal to p raised to the power of 1 over p. Now, this expression here now, my next step now would be to compare both sides of this equation. Now, if I compare the base we will have 1 over 4 equal to p. So therefore, p is equal to 1 over 4. Now, also, if I compare the powers, let me compare the powers. The power here is 1 over 1 over 4. So write 1 over bracket 1 over 4. Then the power here now is same thing as 1 over p. Now, if I compare both sides, 1 is equal to 1, then 1 over 4 is also equal to p. So from here now, I can say that p is also equal to 1 over 4. So the solution for p in this expression is that p is equal to what? 1 over 4. Then my next step now will be to recall k square minus k equal to p. Then we continue now. I'm going to start. We know that p is what? 1 over 4. So I'm going to write k square minus k is equal to p is what? 1 over 4. So we say 1 over 4. The next step now, I'm going to cross multiply. So now here will become 4 bracket k square minus k equal to 1. Then now I'm going to open this bracket. Now 4 times k square will give me 4k square. Then 4 times minus k will give me minus 4k, all equal to 1. Then now I'm going to rearrange this expression here now to get my quadratic equation. So now I'll write 4k square minus 4k minus 1 equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation now, I'm going to solve it using the quadratic formula method. So and in the quadratic formula method, my a is the coefficient of k squared. So a is equal to 4. Then b is minus 4, the coefficient of k, which is minus 4. Then c is minus 1. Then now my quadratic formula is that k is equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. So now from here now k, we write k equal to, now this is minus, so we say minus, b is minus 4, so we say minus 4 plus or minus the square root. Now b square, I'm going to write bracket minus 4 square minus 4 times a is 4, so we say 4 times c is minus 1 all over (2a). That's 2 times a, and a is 4, so 2 times 4 is what? 8. So then we continue again. Now this is my k equal to, minus times minus is what? plus. So here will be 4 plus or minus. Then now I'm going to simplify everything here. On simplifying of everything here, now I got 4 root 2. Then all over this 8 here. Now I will continue again. My solution now for k, my solution for k now will be k equal to 4 plus 4 root 2 all over 8, or k equal to 4 minus 4 root 2 all over 8. Then we continue again now. Write k. This expression here now can be written as 4 over 8 plus 4 root 2 all over 8, or k equal to 4 over 8 minus 4 root 2 all over 8. Now we write again k equal to 4 over 8 is the same thing as 1 over 2 plus 4 divided by 8. This thing is not, this side now will now become root 2 over 2, or you say k equal to 4 divided by 8, that's 1 over 2 minus 4 divided by 8 again, that's what? Root 2 over 2. So this is my final solution for k in this my equation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos.